Habakran kumukongsan hagajingelang Pynkup Burom ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowa yaki Samla Pule ki pass by yaki examen Secondary School Living Certificate but Higher Secondary School Living Certificate mentausnam haka arpuai terek ujellio araja arpusau uba McDonald Marbanyang Director Administration ke Meghalaya Board of School Education nalor ke Ïaroh ikadika school ulaong bakumba pau hagi result ki Khmat Pule na West Giant Hills District kila 1 Khmat but ke pass percentage kalong hapadeng prapo but prapusan percent Ulaong bagi sekolah West Giant Hills District kidai ban Shimkia ban kentiu ya Pule puti ban nakanega district layu Ïaroh ik jingmi shibon kibreo ba start ba Shampang bat badan Burom haki lan baper Halor ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School Ulaong bakadai ke wain ki sekolah ke belara nam rak Burom ya district nomor man lau snam kam judo ban rong haka top 10 top 20 nak result SSLC but HSS jongka MBOSE Kiwai pat ki bala ai jingkran ki kentop ya kong C Lingdo Sub Inspector of School Jowai kom kesembut kongsan uba B Richard Yuria u principal nalor kiwai
6th position holder distinction in all subjects and highest marks in maths 100 out of 100 secured distinction also in all subjects and also highest marks in maths, 100 out of 100. Amazing Grace Burom. Ferdinand and Lungdo, distinction in English. Ahizar Oswin. Next we have Daniel Jones Kongla, distinction in English. Hun-E Himonmi Benklem, distinction in English and Maths.
The management, the administrator, the teachers, all of you, you have done incredibly well. And North Liberty, like what Miss Ligno has said, it has brought laurels to the whole Giant Hills. Every year, even we would like to check on the merit list, on the state rank list, whether North Liberty it figure or not in the list. And almost every year, it did figure, and this year you are extremely doing well with 2 positions in the science stream, which is not at all easy to compete with the school in Shillong City as well as in other places. But you have done it, That is really a very good thing. What Sir has said, that art stream, 36,000 students competing in art stream, and to get in the top 10, it's not as easy as we thought. It is not that easy, which means it requires dedication, it requires a commitment, it requires a thorough study, right from the beginning of the year. And North Liberty is, I feel that it has brought blessing to many families. Why I say it's a blessing to many families, especially in the Giant Hills region. See, to get an updated quality education in our own doorstep, in our own Jowai town, it is not easy. Many students, they have to fly. They have to go all the way either to Dehradun, they have to go all the way either to Kodaikanal or way to Chennai or to other metros in the country to get that updated quality education. Here you are. The Miss Rem has announced that one student has just cleared the NEET exams with 590 score, which is exemplary very well. Because last year, I checked from the Kasi and Jaintia quota, the last students, he scored 416 and he got a seat from the Meghalaya quota. And to get 590, we have all the hopes this year that he also will be placed in the quota of the Meghalaya when we state government. This is purely the dedication and hard work of the schools together, teachers, parents, students, and also the administrator. I congratulate all of you because of this achievement. West Jainti Hill districts, when I check what West Jainti Hill district is one of the, the advanced district in our state. Almost every year you'll find that they cross 80 plus percentage, whether in the SSLC or in the high secondary examination when we declare the results, which implies that the whole district is a promising district. It is a district which is going forward. And we have also testified that there are so many personalities that have coming up which the district has produced. They are very good in education, whether in the field of education, whether in the field of sports, whether in any other field. You'll find eminent personalities produced by West Jainti Hill districts. And we are sure that the students who pass from North Liberty, they'll keep this legacy going on. That you should produce good person, good citizen of the state, remarkable people, eminent personalities in various fields, whether in education, whether in medicines, whether in law, or whether in any other fields from the districts. You keep up to that expectation of the schools as well as the expectation of the society. Then I strongly believe that one day Sir Richard will proudly announce on the stage that so and so students he cleared the civil service examination from North Liberty. That determination you should have. You should have that determination. It will be, a big achievement not only of the schools, but as a state the state as a whole. Even me also, I'll come that time, to felicitate the students, to hug the students, because we are expecting all these good students to come up very well.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.